I've noticed a huge change in my son's health since last year. Since we've had Breathe Easy for a few months, I've noticed a big change. He's out playing soccer 3 times a week. He is sleeping very well. He's not congested. He doesn't need tissues all day long for his nose. He doesn't speak in a raspy voice like he has in the past during allergy season. He's basically been well. I don't hear him wheezing at night. I don't hear him congested at night. He's doing a lot better. I've noticed a significant change in him.